Now I have so many lemons on my lemon tree, so I thought, why not make some limoncello? So I have just rinsed some of these lemons, because I just picked them straight from the tree. I want to make sure there's nothing not very nice on them. I have a big glass jar here to infuse with some vodka. So to be honest, this is actually my first time making limoncello, but my family are Italian and I'm always hearing you should make some limoncello with all my excess lemons. So today I'm finally doing it. I have 8 lemons, and basically what you have to do is get all this delicious yellow skin off into the jar, infusing with the vodka. And from what I've been told from all my Italian families, you don't want any white pith, so what's between the yellow skin and the juice of the fruit, in there, because it'll make it bitter. So I have a knife and I just have a peeler, and I'm not sure which will be easier because there's quite a few lemons. I'm just going to peel the outside, and I'm thinking I might just start with 4 lemons and see, maybe 5. I want a good strong lemony flavor, so I might just start peeling and see how I go. Now I think this is going to work really well. This just takes off that outside layer. You want to be leaving all that white there, and you're getting these really nice thin, beautiful lemony strips. So from what I've been told and researched, everyone seems to have different lengths of time to actually infuse the lemon and the vodka. Well, actually, sorry, in Italy, I don't think they actually use vodka. I think it's like grain alcohol or something, which we don't really have in Australia. So people said just to use vodka, but I'll see how it tastes. All right, so I've peeled only about 5 of my lemons, but my lemons are really big. So I think that's plenty. I've just got it all sitting in the bottom here of my jar, and I have 750 milliliters of vodka. So this is like reasonably good alcohol. It's not like cheap. I didn't want to get something that was too cheap. I guess we'll see how this goes. It's pretty just smooth and easy. So I'm just going to pour this straight into the lemon. And that's about it. I just poured it all in, give it a little mix, and I'm gonna pop my lid on, and I'm just gonna store this somewhere nice and dark, so it shouldn't go bad, like all that alcohol in there should be completely fine. The other thing I read, so I'll leave it for a week or so, and I'll test it, but probably I'll leave it for about 2 weeks. And every second day I hear you give it a little bit of a mix around, so just so the lemon starts re-infusing with the vodka. But yeah, I'll see you guys in about 2 weeks. So it's been 1 month and I am back with my nicely infused vodka and lemon. And I've been checking on it, a few times a week, and it smells incredible. So it's looking really good. The smell of lemon is just amazing. So our next step is to combine this with some sugar syrup. So I have half a cup of caster sugar here. I'm just gonna pop this in the pan with about half a cup of water, and I'm just gonna gently warm this until all the sugar dissolves. And once that's all dissolved in there, I'm just gonna add this. So I'm gonna head off, do this. I'll be back in a sec. All right, so I've got my sugar syrup. It has cooled a little bit. It's just clear. So I think I'm gonna transfer this into this 1 liter jug. I think it'll be a little bit easier because I'm obviously going to combine them both together, and I just feel that if I pour this straight into a bottle, it's just going to make a big mess. I'll just go in for the pour. And what I'm going to do, you can use a cheesecloth and it is better. With clean hands, I'm going to grab these out and give these a squeeze over just to get out any remaining lemon flavor, because we want this nice and lemony. I will strain this before adding it, so don't worry if a few little pieces of lemon get in here. There we go, because this holds a lot of extra, like a little bit of extra flavor. We want as much lemon flavor as possible. All right, set that to the side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this lemon mixture through the strainer directly into the sugar syrup. I'll make sure to give this a lovely mix. Now this is when you want to give it a quick taste. It's 10:30 here, so this will be fun, but I'm just gonna have a little taste with a spoon. Oh, that's very nice. So, as I said here, we've used 40% alcohol, and traditionally it is much higher. In Australia, it's actually quite hard to get high percentage alcohol. So for me, I haven't added too much else. I've added a half cup of sugar. If it's not sweet enough, you can add some more sugar. I'm quite happy with this. It really depends on how much you like it. That's why I recommend tasting it. If you like something a bit sweeter, just add some more sugar. You can even add it directly in, just because it should still be slightly warm. And yeah, that is a very simple way. But from here, I am going to give this a quick wash, pop this back in, and then I'm going to bottle it. That's good, that wasn't too messy. And this is perfect. This bottle is a litre bottle, and this is just under a litre. So I've got a glass bottle here and a funnel, and I'm just going to gently pour this in. Now, besides the fact that it looks like someone hasn't drunk enough water and has weed, I promise it's really nice. We have that beautiful yellow color from the lemons, and it smells absolutely amazing. It doesn't smell how it looks. So I'll pop this on, and with this you can keep it anywhere. You can keep it in the cupboard. It is really nice to keep it in the freezer and have it cold. It's just nice with a little kind of shot glass and just sipping some limoncello after dinner, not at 10:30 in the morning. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you give this a go because it's very yummy. And I said I have so many lemons around, I thought, why not give this a go? I'm going to try and source some stronger or some higher alcohol content alcohol, and I'll give it a go again and see what that's like. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.